Hey, hello, this is Nirmal Raj. So this is my Car Showroom. I've created in Unity by using Unity engine and .NET. So this is the environment on the back side of the VR showroom. You can see that the car and other things are available over here. So there are three similar showroom I have created with different cars in different colors, and one here we all are the sub buildings inside it. So this is main showroom where you can see our cars and logo of the showroom. This is totally like it will move when you play. So now you can see inside the car. See this, like yes, everything is visible clearly. So customer can able to see everything clearly. So they are not in we can't cheat with them. So we able to see everything inside the car, and we can also test drive. But still I want implemented that things inside it. So this is another car, Lamborghini. You can see that. So there are different models of the car. You can select and change the color and everything you can do easily while playing. So we are going to create an app of it for like Android or iOS. So there you can directly open it and control it. And we are controlling with Oculus device right now. So this is a car. You can see it from backside and outside, and in different colors. The same models are there, these three. So this is where you can see the welcome to the world of the car showroom. You can see. So when we click start, it will play the play, and player will move. That is the player. The player move around the showroom, and you can see easily by Oculus device, which we wear in our head and control with our hand. So it's feel like a real world. And as we know, these all are the materials and text structure and other things. These all are the assets, main assets that we have created this project. Now this is a texture where you can give color and everything to the environment. So now thank you.